We are team 4 and our project is FMS, which is Factory Maintenance System. So this is the login page. So let me log in with admin and admin. So this is the home page, regular maintenance. So in every factory we have machines. So each machine we need to do the regular maintenance, otherwise it will fail during the production. So let's configure one regular maintenance. So for demo purpose, what we did is we configured like every week is nothing but 1 minute. It is going to create the ticket, and every month is nothing but for 2 minutes. It is going to create the repair ticket, and year for 3 minutes. So let's select the every month and save. So it saves successfully. Let's go to the other modules. So there are 3 users. Admin user come by default while deploying after deploying the application, and Bob and John are created. And user group, we have three groups. One is admin group, maintenance group, and supervisor group. Admin group will come by default, and inside I added Bob in supervisor group and John in maintenance group. So I have 3 different users, and they don't have the complete privileges. So you can see I have admin have the complete privileges for settings and user group and everything. Let's log out and log in with John. So John and 1234 his password and login. So if you go to the users, he don't have access to the user group, so that's why he's not able to see the user group here. Not even for settings, so that's why he is unable to see the left menu. Let's log in with admin again and admin. Let's go to the machine. So we have 3 machines, and we can create machine in 2 ways. One is manual way, which is by clicking the new and filling all the details. Otherwise we can go to the settings and import, and we can select the machine and choose we can get it from the Excel file. So I just select the machine, and let's go to the machine page. So you can see 5 and machine 4 and machine 5 are added. So let's go to the machine group. So we can group some machines into we can group the machines into one group. So these are the different groups. So you can see inside the machine, while creating itself, we are going to select to which group it is going to belong. And coming to the area, so basically the factory entire factory is divided into areas. Inside the areas there are it is going to divide by lines, and after that inside the lines the machines are going to place. So here we are going to configure the area. So I created the area and added lines to it. So this the machine placement is known in this here by selecting the area and line. So, and coming to the line, this is for here we are going to configure the line and listen. So when a equipment machine is failed, then it is going. There should be some reason. So here are some pre-configured reasons. One is the oil leaking and belt failure and regular maintenance. So and documents. So here we created the documents. So you can just click on. You can delete it, and you can add the new incrementary, and you can upload the document. I can add a video also. So let's go and add the video again and upload. So video is uploaded. So documents are updated, and parts are mainly used during the maintenance. And coming to the step groups. So step groups are nothing but we'll group all the maintenance steps in one group based on the reason. So for oil leaking steps, there is these are the steps: open the lid and clean the machine and change the oil and etc. So I added 2 steps. You can add the reference documents inside each step. So we added the clean machine document here. Likewise, even the belt failure, I added the belt failure document inside the belt, fix the belt step. Coming to the template, so while creating the they are going to select the equipment and reason, but the system has to know what steps needs to perform, so to show to the maintenance guy. So here we are going to configure all the step groups for those equipment and for that reason. So that is what the template will do. And coming to the steps, settings, so we have three settings. These are all application settings. So email hosting configuration, it's nothing but which SMTP we are using, and regular maintenance, I mean what are the what is the default regular maintenance, and admin user. So when you forgot a password, you will get an email from this. So let's try the forgot password. So John, I think you know John has password of 1234. Let's try the John username and send. Okay, an email has been sent, so I will get an email. So you can see that I got an email, and this is my temporary password. Sorry, copy. Let's try with the old password, John and 1234. Unlocking. So it is saying that invalid user name and password. Let's try with the new temporary password. Login. So you can able to log in. So let's go and change it back to 1234. 1234. 1234 and update. So let's go to the mobile demo. So this is the login page. Let me open with Bob. He's a supervisor, right? So sorry, Bob. 1234 login. So I configured the regular maintenance, right? So it already created a page for me. So this is the alert page. Here you can see all the tickets and everything. So let's create a ticket. Go to ticket. So he can either select from this drop down, or he can just scan it by opening the scanner. And let me show you the QR. So you can observe the machine 1 is already automatically selected. Now I have to select the reason. So let me select the belt failure for the, as a reason, and create. So it has been created. Let's go to the home page. So now you can see machine 1 and belt failure is created. So let's log out and log in with John, who is a maintenance guy. John and 1234 and log in. So now John is going to work on machine 1 and belt failure. So he's going to click on this, click on that particular alert. So now he has to perform these following steps: open the container and fix the belt. So if we don't know how to fix the belt, he can just click on it, click on that, it will show you the reference. So when I click on the download button and on arrow and I select the player, now it play a video for me. So that's it. Thank you.